Okay, just showing, been having it come up, pulling back with your hands versus using the rope, accuracy issues, saying that it's less accurate if you pull back with your hands instead of using a rope to pull it back. So I'm going to do a shot of 3 of each, not using the rope, and just getting a little group and just seeing what goes on right there, how tight the groups are, the difference between the two. First I'm going to be using the rope, and then next will be next I'll be doing it with my hands. Alright, got the group here of using the rope. As you can see, I would say they are in at 25 yards in a 1.5 inch circle, maybe a little bit tighter than that. But as you can see, there is the group. Not too bad. That is using a rope. Now I'm going to do 3 without the rope. Using the hand, seeing if there's any difference in the group, tightness of the pattern, so on and so forth. Again, these are field tips. I've got it zeroed in using broadheads, so that's why they're shooting off to the right a little bit. It's because of I'm hunting with this. I'm not target shooting with it, so I've got to make sure my broadheads are hitting where they're supposed to be hitting. So that's why it's going to be off. Here we go. All right. Okay. 1. That's 3. Okay. 2. There's 3. And I had that one as a hanger. I screwed up on my part. I'm going to redo that middle shot. All right, and that is 3 shots using manual power, using my arms. All right, well, here you go. I did have that one still went off on the second shot with it. It still went off, so that might be an issue with the bolt itself being crooked, possibly. But I basically almost Robin Hood those 2 right there. It's one split the other, and so I guess it's, I mean, to me, yeah, split the arrows. I'm just, like I said, I'm I've never had a real major issue on accuracy going, you know, using your hands or using the rope. I mean, people who sit there, use the rope, it gives you an equal pull. As you see, I mean, there was that one that was going off by itself, but the other two were right next to each other. And then using the rope on the other three, the first three shots, they were within a 1.5 inch circle. So, I mean, to be honest, I'm still sitting right where I'm sitting on whether or not using the rope is more accurate, better for shooting, or just using your hands. The only difference I can tell is it's a lot easier to get the crossbow cocked using the rope than using your arms. But that's it. So like I said, I mean, I can't tell the difference on anything. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'm pretty sure there'll be people that have their own opinion and whatever. So.